Hello everyone! My name is Maria Agbuya, your Sharon Rose Master from Atomy, Canada. And this is my journey! Hello everyone! My name is Maria Agbuya, your Sharon Rose Master from Atomy, Canada. I came from Manila, Philippines. Yes, my family call me Candy and my friends call me Maria. How people describe me, I would say passionate and energetic. My business partners would know that I am a little bit of strict with a balance of love as well, because I always tell people my expectations towards them, so that would actually create more harmony, and I want to show them my genuine care. Dancing? Yesterday, during my flight, it's not because I'm sad, but I'm very grateful because I'm looking forward for my seminar in Vancouver and of course my Alaska trip. Hobbies, I love cooking. I love learning new cuisines, especially. Spicy. Made me happy coming here, actually. Looking forward for the cruise together with my dad and my family. Okay, that is a little bit tricky because I'm not a fan of superhero. But if I'll have a superpower, I want the power to teleport. Just so in a second, I'll be with the people I love. I don't really have to travel 24 hours across the globe. I am currently a project manager in supply chain. Yes. Of course, when everybody's looking for a job, here I am waiting, can't wait to be full-time in Atomy. Atomy is just something I know, the right vehicle for me to be able to reach my goals and the destination. So yeah. Prayers. Prayers has always been my business and life strategy because I believe prayers can move mountains. My favorite is How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie, and of course, Atomy DNA by Chairman Park. My mom, because I just lost her. So I would take this opportunity to have a dinner with her and ask her with some of the recipe that she probably missed to actually share with me. Perfect day. Not waking up too early, having amazing breakfast. I love breakfast, and spending time with, quality time with people I love, and of course, team event. Atomy team event. I love team events. To be honest with you, I was not interested about the business, so I didn't do it. However, the following day, I look about Atomy. I bought 4 boxes of Himo and skincare set. What made me start? I was just heartbroken back then. So I was just an immigrant at that time. I wasn't that interested at the beginning, but then I lost my health. I got sick, not creating a lot of income at that time for like 2 years. So I was like, I have nothing to lose. So why not do Atomy? Like, Atomy just can change my life. So then I started. Atomy family. As I've said, I was heartbroken, but I had a new family with Atomy, family who actually supported me since day one that I started. I'm just very thankful and I equally love everybody. My favorite product, Hemohuman Probiotics. I love social media. It was because of Atomy social media that I was able to expand my business because during the pandemic, Atomy Canada provided a lot of like contests. I actually won one on Mother's Day. So I got like free pomegranate and face mask for Mother's Day at that time. This is a privilege for me. I want to inspire all the leaders out there that there is really growth in Atomy, and at the same time, I want to learn more and learn about like the leaders and how to build my team. I would say consistency. It's because being in the Global Auto Sales Master Club, you have to maintain some qualifications, and that itself for me pushed me to work harder and better each time so that I'll be able to maintain my membership in the Global Auto Sales Master Club. And at the same time, I want to encourage all my partners to join me. If there's a will, there's a way. I just don't believe so much on excuses. If you really want it, you just have to go for it. So yeah, if there's a will, there's a way. So. My life goal, I really want to be the first millionaire in the family. I want to cut out the poverty in our family. I grew up, my parents are always working day and night. They don't have any day off. So I want the time and financial freedom for me and my family so I'll be able to spend more time with them. At the same time, there's a lot of like family and friends who actually come out to me and I feel helpless that if they ask for help, I'm not be able to because I only have enough. So I want that one day I don't have to say no to anyone. And at the same time, also, I want to be a part of Dreamy Foundation. I want to spend my time, if I already have the time and freedom for money, I can spend more time with the children, doing charity, and yeah, joining chairman part. Atomy is taking me in a place where I don't have to worry about anything, and my family, I'll be able to provide for them. They will be healthy and happy and, of course, beautiful. And at the same time, I'll be able to help more people, reach out, inspire more people that they can do more. And because, you're capable, you just go reach out for your dreams because in Atomy, everything is possible.